Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart trendy cotton printed collections only for you. So let me display. This one very beautiful smart color combinations, very nice one without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one is full base part, beautiful printed one, pure cotton fabric, soft comfortable with beautiful smart printed and bright color combinations. This one pallu portions, fully nice printed one pallu. This portion is pallu portions and very soft one, summer friendly, based for your day, very soft summer friendly, based for your daily wear. And this one full base part, very smart looks without running blouse piece, only sari length and contrast color printed border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very soft one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart daily looks. For customized stitching your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also very beautiful one, bright elegant color combinations, bright border, off-white base with beautiful contrast color printed one, very smart and trendy looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful one, cotton fabric, contrast color, fully printed border, very colorful also. This one pallu portions, highlighted printed pallu. And this one full base part, very nice look, soft one, summer friendly, based for your daily wear. This one is full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one full base part, very smart look, soft comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful one, very elegant color combinations also. Orange with white contrast looks, and full base part is beautiful printed one. This one full base part, very smart looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed full base. And this one is border portions, temple pattern printed border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very soft comfortable summer friendly, based for your daily wear. And this one half portions, beautiful smart printed one, half. And this one is full base part, very smart trendy looks, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, cotton printed one, and very smart looks, beautiful color combinations. This one full base part, let me open. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, same printed full base part. And this one is temple pattern, contrast color printed border. And this one is full base part. And this one split section, half portion, different contrast color printed. And this one is full, this one is pallu portions, beautiful printed pallu. And this one is splits, and this one is upper base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, malmal cotton base with beautiful printed one, soft comfortable. This one full base part, beautiful printed, very soft one. This one is full base part, green shade. And this one is contrast color printed pallu. This one portion is pallu portions, beautiful one without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one full base part, beautiful look. This one is full base, this one is contrast color border, and full base part is printed one, very soft summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, border work, checks design, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart daily looks. And this one also very beautiful beautiful smart one, black and white contrast looks. This one is full base part cotton fabric, malmal cotton with beautiful printed one. Let me open. Without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one, you know, full base part, bright looks, vivid looks. This one is contrast color, stripes pattern, printed border, and full base part is beautiful printed one. And this one, you know, pallu portions without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one is pallu portions, beautiful printed one, very bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. And this one also, you know, very nice combinations of white with the yellow contrast looks with beautiful printed one, cotton fabric, soft, comfortable and contrast color, temple pattern border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very smart looks. This one is border portions, temple pattern border, and full base part is beautiful smart printed one, very soft, summer friendly. This one, you know, full base part, and this one is half portions contrast color with printed one. This one is split section, and this one is upper base part, and this one, you know, pallu portions, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart daily looks. In a very beautiful one, very elegant printed one, malmal cotton with beautiful smart printed one, black and white contrast looks. And this one, you know, full base part. Let me open. Very nice looks without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one, you know, full base part, beautiful smart printed one. This one is contrast color, temple pattern border, and this one is full base part, very nice looks. And this one, you know, full base part, beautiful printed one, and this one is contrast color, different printed splits, and this one is half portions, different print. And this one, you know, pallu portions, very nice trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, a beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, you know, khadi cotton base with printed one, very demanding and trendy looks. You know, this one is full base part, beautiful printed one, and pure handloom one. And this one is full base part, beautiful printed. This one is contrast color border, and this one, you know, pallu portions, highlighted contrast color, stripes pattern with beautiful printed pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very beautiful smart color combinations and soft, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, you know, very beautiful one, premium quality malmal cotton with batik printed one, very trendy elegant looks. This one, you know, this one is full base part, stripes pattern, pink and black contrast stripes pattern printed one, batik printed, fully hand batik print. And this one, you know, pallu portions, contrast color with beautiful batik printed pallu, and full base part is pink and black contrast stripes pattern batik printed one. And this one, you know, running blouse, this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. So, very beautiful and colorful premium quality malmal cotton with beautiful bright printed one, very demanding also smart looks. Let me open. This one, you know, full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful batik printed one, malmal cotton premium quality. And this one, you know, border portions, contrast color border, and full base part is beautiful batik printed one, and very soft, comfortable. And this one, you know, pallu portions, very nice one, fully artistic way print, very nice looks. This one is fully printed pallu, and this one is border portions, very smart trendy looks. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full pallu. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. And today I have kept a beautiful saree, very colorful also, cotton fabric, malmal cotton with beautiful printed one full base part without running blouse piece. And this one is border portions, contrast color with print. And this one pallu portions, very smart looks, beautiful printed one, best for your daily wear, office wear, summer wear, very nice looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.